So the primary cause of errors with halts is footwork. Basically a lack of consistency. So our footwork is not exactly the same every time, and that causes confusion. The dogs are trying super hard and they're desperately looking for information. It's not as important. What footwork you use does not matter as much as using it consistently, right? So it should be exactly the same every time you train and in the ring. Saying, oh, I'm terrible at halts, I'm just not good at them. Well, that's kind of not fair, right? Because it is a team sport and we ask our dogs to do their work correctly, so we should do the same. The second cause of errors is criteria. So you have to have a clear picture of what your dog's halts should look like. You have to choose your criteria and stick to that. You can't sometimes say, oh, it's better, it's almost there, or well, it's close, or today those halts are good, but then tomorrow they're not, right? Dogs only understand black and white. That is actually more fair. People are usually gray because in their mind they're helping the dog, and actually you're not. You're just confusing them. What that means. So if I'm looking back too hard at her and then I ask her to halt, she's going to sit butt in. All right, she doesn't really sit because she's like, oh, that's a left cue. That's not a halt cue. Because I always cue the halt with my shoulders square.
Sit.
So I told her to sit. I had my shoulder back. You see her butt is in because I'm twisted and turning looking towards her. So the solution there is keep your shoulders square. Don't twist or lean. Feet are rolling all the way through the stride. Feet are rolling. This foot, see, I'm really pushing the ball of my foot into the ground. The dog feels that deceleration. I step with the right foot, and then the left foot comes together.